Hey guys, so today I will be reviewing another Imethod Beauty product. So, Imethod Beauty contacted me via email after they saw my last YouTube video where I did the eyebrow stamp. And they're like, oh, sorry you had bad results. We want to send you a darker color because I had complained the color was just not dark enough for me, and more eyebrow stamps, like the stencils. So I was like, all right. And they emailed me back again and they were like, okay, we have a darker color, but we actually don't have any more stencils. The manager said like that was it. What I got in the box is all they have. So I was like, whatever, it's still good to try a darker color. So I tried it again. I have it on now, but this is not the color that they sent me. I still have to go over it with my darker eyebrow like shadow that I have and like a little brush. It is darker. It just still doesn't match. I just used like my color is just really dark. It's like a granite, like a basically black color. And I get like a lot of people just don't have that eyebrow color that dark, so maybe they just never made one. This is number 2, color 2, so I'm wondering if one would be darker, but it's the same thing. But it is darker. See how much darker it is, but you can still see a brown tone to it, and it just doesn't match my eyebrow shade that I usually use. But I appreciate them sending this to me and reviewing it. I wasn't going to do the stamp video again because it still doesn't work that great for me. This is a stamp for the most part from like here to here. It's just really difficult because, like I said, I don't have any eyebrows basically. There's like a few hairs in the front, and even those are uneven. And just to get it even in the within the stencil is very difficult for me. So I used it another time, like, I don't know, like last week or the week before, and like I literally had them like so crooked, even though I used the same stencil on both sides. So I really have to focus on getting them completely even, like holding the stencil even on my eyebrows to get them to look proper, because it's just, in the end, it doesn't reduce any time for me really. The shape might be better as far as they look more exact, like, you know, the arch and stuff like that, because I'm using a stencil, but it doesn't save time because, like I said, I have to line it up. It gives me a hard time. It's, you know, I think it's a combination of both me and the product, you know. You're holding a stencil up to your face, so it's kind of hard to, okay, I'm gonna get the stencil exactly the same position on this side, you know. There's nothing they can really do about that. And so you kind of have to just, you know, try to get it proper, like the proper height and level and angle and all that. So I've used it a few times and I've managed to kind of get an idea of how to get it on. And then I just fill it in like with a darker color, and then I just kind of do the inner corners myself more to get them exactly how I want them. So it's good, whatever. I mean, I think it was nice that they sent me the new color. They tried, they wanted me to, you know, have a better experience with their product. But I mean, overall, I think it's good for somebody that has even eyebrows to begin with, and they can just put it on and just fill in like little gaps how they want it. So it's probably for somebody like that and not for somebody like me who basically has no eyebrows. Anyways, but along with that, they offered to send me a blush stick to try out, and they asked me to make a video about it. So this is it, the Imethod Beauty. He blushed. I love the guy on there. Oh, with like the old like Victorian wigs. I don't know I honestly don't know what it is. They just said it was a blush stick, so I figured I would try it out with you guys. Natural looking rocks all over your face blush color. It says multi-usage makeup stick. I wonder what it can be used for. So it looks like that. It's like a pinky color. I do use blush sometimes, just not a whole heck of a lot. And not liquid usually. I usually use a powder. So let's see what the little booklet said. Imethod Blush Stick Tips and Tricks. To widen face, I really don't want to widen my face, brush the apples of your cheeks and extend toward the ears. To get a natural look, apply blush on the apples of your cheek for a radiant look. To get a slim face, brush the apples of the cheeks. To soften the angles, brush up and out to the temple. That's what I usually do. I kind of go like this on my cheek. It says you can use it on your eyes and your lips. So it would be pretty color for like your lips. I don't know if I would really use it on my eyes. On bare skin, swipe color balm onto your eyes, cheeks, and lips directly from the blush stick. Then stipple in a patting motion with a brush or fingers to blend. Over medium to full coverage makeup. All right, let's try it. Let's try it. What am I gonna put it here? Oh my God. That's like harsher than I thought it was gonna be. Let me grab a brush so I can kind of blend it. It's probably not the best color for this makeup that I have on right now. Too pinky, it's more like natural looking. I don't know. I don't really use blush that much because I don't like accentuating like this area on me because I have their, what are they called? Mylar bags. Or it's Mylar bags and there's another name for it. I can't remember, but it's basically like when the, your age and like the fat in your cheek like settles here so you can see like puffiness here. I can't get rid of it. So that kind of like accentuates it when I wear blush, but I don't know. Some days it's not as puffy so I can get away with it. It's not bad. I think it's a cute color, like a cute natural color that I would probably use if I was wearing like cooler tone makeup, you know, like maybe like browns and stuff like that, and not so much like this like burgundy red color that I have going on because I feel like it doesn't match. I didn't open this, so I didn't know what color it was, or else I would have planned my makeup accordingly, but I didn't. But overall, I mean, it feels nice. It's like soft, like a soft cream, and it's convenient because you just go like this and this instead of dipping in like a powder tray. So if you're somebody who's, you know, goes out and like just wants to throw it in your bag, and then you can use your fingers to like wipe it on, to blend it in. So yeah, I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? So I appreciate them sending this to me for free to try out. They asked me to make a TikTok video. I'll try. I'm like, I just started doing TikTok stuff, so it's not like I'm a professional at that stuff. Like the people are like, look at this transformation. Like, I don't know. I'll try to do something maybe at some point with this. We'll see. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you use something like this? Like, just easier than like bringing like a, you know, like a blush powder out with you. You can just have the stick on you and just use it right then and there. Do you guys use blush? Do you have any tips for using blush? Because I need tips because I feel like I don't really know how to put blush on properly, and I just in contouring and all that, like I don't know how to do that stuff. So, and then if anybody has any advice on these, my puffy here, I hate them. I developed them in the past couple of years, and maybe there's a way to camouflage them with blush. Maybe just put it in a different area so it's not accentuated. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any tips and tricks. So again, thank you to Imethod for sending me this to try out, the blush stick and the new color. I thought it was really cool of them to email me and say, hey, we're gonna send you a new color for the eyebrow thing. They tried. I just wish they had thinner stencils, just because sometimes I just like my eyebrows thinner in here, you know what I mean? So they need to make a Goth stamp kit. That's what they need. And then they should contact me and I'll be their spokesperson for Goth stamp on eyebrows. Because we like, a lot of us goth people, we shave our eyebrows off, you know, and then we do them on really thin. So it's like, we need that. We need some help sometimes to cut down on our getting ready process, you know. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you've tried any of these products before, please comment down below and give me any advice you have. If you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I love to have new people here. Down below in my links, you will find my Patreon if you want to become a patron and help support my channel. I love all my patrons that I have now. I appreciate them putting effort into, they like message me, talk to me, because like I talk to you guys one-on-one. So I get, you know, there's access for that if you guys want to just like chat and stuff via email. I talk to people on Instagram and stuff. There's different tiers as far as like rewards and stuff. So definitely check that out if you're interested in that. There's also my Ko-fi account, which is just like a one-time if you want to donate money to buy me a Ko-fi. My Instagram, my TikTok, and my Twitter, which I barely use. And all that good stuff. So go check me out. And until next time, stay dark, my friends. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.